Hello guys, welcome back to Dharam's Code Mystery 7. In this video, we will learn how to download and install the current Java JDK 17 version on Windows 11. So let's start it. So first step is to download the Java. To download Java for free, open the link given in the video description box and Google type oracle.com slash Java. Press enter. So after reaching the website, once you are there in that site, just press on download Java and just scroll down, and there are multiple Java versions like JDK 22, JDK 21, JDK 17. So mainly we will be using Java 17. Just scroll down and click on it Windows. We can just click on it installer and it will download the file, so you can see download started. Let's wait for some time. So we see our download is complete, so just click on it. Now and we got to the user access control, so I just need to give administrator access to it, so just press on yes. You might not be able to see my screen now, just press on yes. Now installation has started. Just follow the prompts, click on next. Next. So JDK 70 is installed in our system successfully. Just close it. Now we need to put this JDK 17 in our path, so go to the folder. So let's go program file, click on it, and here you can see Java, click on it, and JDK 17 is visible, click on it, and there is a bin folder, click on it. You can click here and on this folder path and copy it. Now go to search and type environment variable. Click on it, open. You can click on environment variable, go to system variable. So usually I prefer making it system rather than just available for the default user, and you can click on the path here. We will be something called path. Click on edit and just press on OK. Okay. Now we have Java 17 installed in our system. So go to verify it. We need to open new terminal. Type cmd. Press enter. And type command here Java ---- version. Press enter. You can see that Java 17 installed in your system. That's how to download and install Java on Windows 11 PC. So I hope guys my video has helped you. If yes, then don't forget to hit on like button. And if you have any kind of query or you are facing any problem, you can put in comment box. I will surely reply to your query. And guys, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to receive notification of my channel. And thank you guys for watching this video. Till I will see you in next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Keep learning, guys. Thank you.